In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Mailchimp with Wix. So first head over to your Mailchimp dashboard, and once logged in the left panel, go to integrations. Then here in the search bar, search for Wix, then click on it. Next, click on the connect button under its name. So first you will be prompted to review your settings, so press continue. Then of course you will be prompted to grant access permissions, so press agree and add. Next, you will also be prompted to review sync settings on Wix. So you need to authorize syncing, and to do that, click on sync now. If you see the connected status beside Wix, that only means that we have successfully integrated MailChimp with Wix. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!